Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you a simple workaround to password protect a Google Drive folder. Quick heads up, Google Drive doesn't let you put a real password on a folder, so this method is a workaround for the link. So this method puts the link behind a Google form password question. It's useful for casual sharing, but it's not true encryption or true privacy. First, open Google Drive and create a new folder. Name it something like Secure Folder. Now right-click the folder, hit Share, and set General Access to Restricted for now. We'll change it later once this gate is ready. Next, open Google Forms and create a blank form. Give it a name like Folder Access. Click the first question and change it to Short Answer. Type Enter the password to get the link. Turn Required on. Now click the three dots on the question and choose Response Validation. Set it to text. Then type the password you want to use. For the error message, type something like Wrong password, try again. Now, put the drive link in the confirmation message. Click the settings in Google Forms, go to Presentation and find Confirmation Message. This is what people see after they submit the form. Go back to your Google Drive folder, click Share again, and change General Access to Anyone with the link. Copy the folder link. Go back to the confirmation message and paste the folder link there. Save your form settings. Optional quick tip is if you want to track who submits, turn on Collect Email Addresses in form settings. That usually requires sign-in. Finally, share and test. Click Send in Google Forms and copy the form link. Open an Incognito window and test it. Type the wrong password first to confirm it blocks you, and then type the correct password and submit. After submission, you'll see the confirmation message with the Drive folder link. Some quick limitations are, once someone has the Drive link, they can share it. This is a gate, not a true password lock. If you need real protection, the best option is to upload an encrypted zip or password-protected PDF instead of relying on Drive sharing alone. And that's all. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to Howard's How-Tos for more simple tutorials just like this.